Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back with another fun way to use up your fabric scraps during the holidays. Today we're making these scrappy Christmas stocking ornaments out of felt and fabric strips. They go together super fast, so you can use them to decorate your Christmas tree or use them as part of your gift wrapping. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or stop by the blog at debsdays.com. And check out my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. That's where you'll find a digital version of this project. You can download it at home and print out the entire pattern. It has the materials list and cutting measurements, step-by-step written instructions, color photos, and the printable template. Or, to save paper, just read through the directions on your device and then print out just the template page. All right, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project, you'll need fabric strips, a backing fabric, felt or cotton batting, ribbon for hanging, optional pinking shears, and of course the printable templates. First, place the backing fabric with the wrong side of the fabric facing up. Center the batting or felt on top. Place one fabric strip from corner to corner along the long edge with the right side of the fabric facing up. Since this is truly a scrap fabric project, I sewed my fabric scraps together to make longer strips. Place a second strip on top with the right side of the fabric facing down. Align the raw edges on the long sides of the strips and pin them in place. Stitch along the long edge using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. And press it open. If you're using felt, finger press it open instead of using an iron. Place another strip on top of the last strip, right sides facing each other. Stitch along the edge using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Press it open. Continue adding and sewing strips until you get to the edge of the batting felt piece. Flip the piece over and trim away the excess ends of the strips without cutting into the backing. Pin a paper template to the front of the fabric at least a 1/2 inch away from the edge. Align the template so the direction of the strips fall on the stocking the way you'd like. Stitch the stocking by sewing around the outside of the template very close to the edge of the paper. Remove the template and use pinking shears or a pinking blade to trim a 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch outside the stitched line. Pin the next template on the front of the fabric. Again, stitch the stocking by sewing around the outside of the template very close to the edge of the paper. Remove the template and use pinking shears or a pinking blade to cut a 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch away from the stitching. Repeat for all the stockings. Fold each piece of ribbon in half to make a loop. With the loop facing up, place the raw edges of the ribbon on the back of the corner of the stocking. Stitch the ribbon in place by following over your previous stitching line. Repeat for all the stockings. Add additional decorative stitching if desired. And just like that, just that fast, you used up some scraps and made yourself some handmade stocking ornaments. If you'd like to see more quick and easy sewing projects like this one, check out some of my other video tutorials. See you next time with another project.